Okay, everyone, now it's time to learn the pronunciation of the consonant sounds as in the word thing, thing, and the sound as in the word though, though. Okay, let's begin. The and the sounds are classified as fricative consonants. The sound is voiceless, and the sound is voiced. These two consonant sounds are produced in a dental position. They are made by putting the tip of the tongue between the front teeth to then release the air coming from the lungs, producing a hissing sound. Let's see first some examples of the voiceless sound. In initial position we have thanks, thanks, three, three, theory, theory, also theory, theory, thick, thick, 13, 13, thorough, thorough, or thorough, thorough, throw, throw, thumb, thumb, thunder, thunder. In medial position we have athlete, athlete, birthday, birthday, ethical, ethical, wealthy, filthy, monthly, monthly, nothing, nothing, python, python, something, something, wealthy, wealthy. And in final position we have breath, breath, beneath, beneath, earth, earth, growth, growth, mouth, mouth, path, path, smooth, smooth, tooth, tooth, wealth, wealth. Now, using the sound in spoken sentences we have. His 18th birthday party is next month. His 18th birthday party is next month. I think we both could go out on Thursday. I think we both could go out on Thursday. His path through life was nothing but easy. His path through life was nothing but easy. Now let's see some examples of the voiced sound. In initial position we have examples. That, that, them, them, theirs, theirs, thereby, thereby, these, the, or the, then, this, this, those. Okay, in medial position we have although, although, either, and either, further, further, leather, leather, northern, northern, other, rather, rather, together, together, within, within. Now, in final position, we have bathe, bathe, breathe, breathe, clothe, clothe, soothe, soothe, and with. Even though this last word can be pronounced as with, or as with, with. Now, putting the th sound into sentences, we got. What is that over there? What is that over there? That's a beautiful leather jacket. That's a beautiful leather jacket. They love each other. They love each other. Good. Now, these two consonant sounds are often mispronounced or confused with other sounds in English. For instance, the word thank with the word sang. Thank, sang. Some common mistakes are think, sing, three, tree, there, breathe, breeze, both, boat, math, mat, those, those, through, true, mouth, mouse, thick, sick. Okay, let's practice a little bit more now. Try to get the sounds right in the next examples. Thirsty, thirsty, throat, throat, month, month, south, south, thousand, thousand, underneath, underneath, brother, brother, feather, feather, load, load, they, therefore, therefore, themselves, themselves, Okay, good job. So the two dental fricatives, the voiceless and the voiced sounds, checked. Well, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye for now.